Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today we will do some grammar exercises. So in CBSE you get these kind of exercises, error and omission. Have you done these kind of exercises earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Eu de bora se mangava daí, cadê hasta mudo aí?
mute yourselves. Okay.
मैम
Hello.
annotation ऑफ कर दीजिए.
अच्छा ठीक. Okay. Okay. So this is omission. In every line, one word is missing. So you have to find the place where the word is missing and the word. Okay. So first one is done for you. First one is done. Tears are produced by tear glands which keep the eye moist. We'll answer that. Abhinav Anand, roll number 8. Abhinav Anand, can you hear me? Abhinav
Yes,
Anand.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you answer this question. In this, you have to find out the missing word in this line. Tears, first one is done. Tears are produced by tear glands which keep the eye moist and are normally drained the nose. You have to find the missing
Trained
word.
by the nose. Trained by the nose.
By.
Yes, ma'am.
बाई से ज्यादा सुटेबल भी एक वर्ड है.
Hmm.
Ma'am, through?
हाँ, yes. Akansha gave the answer, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, through.
Yes. Through. Through is more appropriate. Abhishek, you found out the right place. चलो तुम्हारा भी. Where the word was missing. Drain through the nose. Onions, a number of, who will answer? Wait, I'll point out. Anurag, onions, a number of water soluble volatile. Anurag,
Ma'am, is होगा. Onions is, ma'am, onions are.
Akansha, let others also answer. Wait. Anurag,
Ma'am, onions have a number.
onions have. Yes, onions have is suitable. Anurag, what happened? I called you so many times. Onions have a
No,
number.
sorry, I am not able to answer.
Okay. Any problem with the mic connectivity? Okay, onions have, here you have the missing word have. Onions have a number of water soluble volatile substances containing sulfur. Cutting the onion, these spread the air. Will
May I answer?
Srija, okay, Srija.
On
In
cutting the onion.
Cutting the onion. Or while
On
while
या फिर by cut.
while cutting is more suitable. While cutting the onion. Okay. These spread the air. This is very easy. Who will answer? Aditi Kumari. Aditi. Ashish Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this one.
And these is spread in the air.
Yes, very good. These spread in the air.
मैम द के पहले स्लैश है ना, द के बाद
हाँ हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी, मुझसे ही गलती हो गई. In the air and cause irritation in the eyes. The tear gland starts secreting more and more tears, wash out the irritants. The Harshvardhan. Okay, Harshvardhan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the tear glands start secreting more and more tears, which more and more tear which wash out the irritants.
Which wash out the irritants.
मैम can I? May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Ma'am, more and more tears to wash out the irritants.
टू ज्यादा सुटेबल है हर्षवर्धन. विच भी गलत नहीं कह सकते हैं. द टीयर ग्लैंड स्टार्ट सिक्रीटिंग मोर एंड मोर टीयर्स विच वॉश आउट द इरिटेंट्स. Two is more suitable. Okay, the tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out. The tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out. Ashish, you want to try? The tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out.
Ma'am, I can answer.
Wait, let Ashish try. After that, I'll give you a chance. Pooja Kumari.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay. Who wants to answer?
Srija.
Srija. Srija से पहले भी एक कोई बोली थी.
मैम हम ही बोले थे.
Stuti. Stuti, you want to answer? Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try.
Tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out.
Repeat your answer.
Ma'am,
हाँ रुको. Stuti, repeat your answer. The tears are produced.
The tears are produced fast that they cannot be drained out.
No, not that.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
May I answer, ma'am?
Okay, Ashish. चलो.
Ma'am, the tears are produced so fast that they cannot be drained out.
Yes, very good. So fast. See, I want everyone to get chance. So that is why. The tears are produced so fast that they cannot be drained out through nose and so run. Who will answer?
ma'am, can I?
Vijay
can I?
Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi.
मैम थ्रू के बाद द होगा.
Yes, very good. Through the nose. Very good. See, you are not getting any punishment or scolding even if your answer is so. You should make an attempt. That is what I want to tell everyone, that at least make an attempt. Through the nose and so run down the eyes, thus making cry. Who will answer? Aditi. Abhinav Anand, you want to try this one?
Ma'am, can I?
Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi, answer.
मैम eyes के बाद and होगा.
Through the nose and so run down the eyes.
And does making cry.
Nahi.
May I answer, ma'am? Srija.
Okay, Srija. You
Ma'am, can I?
okay?
Ma'am, down the eyes, thus making us cry.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi, I'll give you the next chance. So this is there is an error in each line. So one mistake is there. You have to find out the wrong word and substitute it with the correct word. So Janvi, you want to try this one? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Intelligence is praised to one and all. What is the mistake in this line? Intelligence is praised to one and all.
मैम praised की जगह praise होगा.
नहीं.
May I try, ma'am? Srija.
Wait, Srija, let others try. और कौन? चलो, Ayush Kumar, you want to try? Ayush Kumar.
Ma'am, can I try?
Okay, Abhinav, why
Ma'am.
not? Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, two की जगह in.
Praised. टू के जगह कुछ और होगा. एरर तो तुमने स्पॉट किया.
In.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
नहीं.
in.
नहीं, इंटेलिजेंस इज प्रेज्ड इन वन एंड ऑल. नहीं लग रहा है सुनने में सही. इंटेलिजेंस इज प्रेज्ड इन वन एंड ऑल.
Ma'am, praised.
Ma'am, may I answer?
ओके, अनुराग.
Ma'am, correct sentence should be intelligence is praised by one and all.
यस, वेरी गुड अनुराग. बाय.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of praised?
प्रेज्ड मतलब तारीफ करना.
Oh.
प्रेज्ड मतलब तारीफ करना. So intelligence is praised by one and all. We say that intelligence means.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Vijay Lakshmi.
मैम say की जगह said होगा.
Said that.
May I answer, ma'am?
Okay, Srija.
We know that.
ये हाँ, we know is more. We know that intelligence means being able to solve problems. Some animal. This is easy. Who will do it? Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar. Ayush. No response. Avnish. Avnish, you want to try this? Avnish, I saw your name in the participant. Okay, Pooja Kumari. Pooja Kumari. Hello. Pooja. Harshita Raj. Harshita. Harshita, can you hear me? Am I audible? Harshita Raj. I don't know why these students don't respond. Okay, who wants to answer? चलो, जिसको पूछ रहा है वो तो रिप्लाई. श्रीजा, तुमने आंसर किया है. नेक्स्ट और कोई सम एनिमल, इतना इजी है, कौन कर?
हम एनिमल की जगह एनिमल्स.
यस, सम एनिमल. Some animals seem able to do this. Who will answer? अभिनव आनंद, चलो आंसर करो. अभिनव आनंद.
Ma'am, can I?
ओके, विजय लक्ष्मी आंसर. विजय लक्ष्मी.
Ma'am, able नहीं होगा मैम, able होगा.
Able होगा. Yes, yes, Vijay Lakshmi, your answer is correct. Seem able to do this. Some animals seem able to do this. For example, cats often find her way. Cats often find her way. What is the mistake? Ashish?
मैम
Ma'am,
देयर
can
वे
I?
होगा.
Yes. Cats is plural. So what should be the pronoun? Pronoun should
मैम
be
देयर.
there. Yes.
There.
Their way. Which there? EIR or ERE?
EIR.
You know the difference? This there and this there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, THERE there means wahan, and THEIR means unka.
Yes. Indicates place. Okay. There indicates place. There indicates possession. कोई सामान किसका है? So you understand the difference? Huh? You understand the difference
Yes,
between
ma'am.
these two words?
Yes, ma'am.
First
Ma'am,
principle.
the first principle means the headmaster of a school, and second principle means rules and regulations.
Head of the institution.
Yes, ma'am.
And set of rules. जिसको एक, ये जो दूसरा वाला जो प्रिंसिपल है PLE, उसका मतलब होता है सिद्धांत. और ये जो प्रिंसिपल है उसका मतलब प्रधानाध्यापक है ना. प्रधानाध्यापक हिंदी का मीनिंग अगर ले तो प्रिंसिपल. सो लाइक this is a common mistake among students when you write application. So sometimes you write this word. ये नहीं लिखना है, PAL लिखना है application लिखते समय. Because sometimes when principal sir gets the wrong application, he calls the English teachers और बोलते हैं उनको कि ये तो, that is why I have made it clear. So this, okay. So their way home from long distances. To do this, they had to remember and think. This is also very.
Ma'am, may I try?
May I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Vijay Lakshmi, चलो बताओ.
Ma'am, ma'am, this की जगह that होगा.
नहीं, this के जगह that नहीं होगा. जानवी को
May
बताइए.
I?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Ma'am, had की जगह
Stuti,
have
की
होगा.
जगह be.
Stuti, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer करो.
Ma'am, to की
Had
जगह
की
be.
जगह have होगा.
नहीं,
Had been, remember and think.
नहीं, have had been, remember नहीं होगा. पूजा, पूजा.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Ashish.
Has been.
Ashish.
Ma'am, they have.
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am, had की जगह have होगा.
Had.
Had के जगह have. To do this, they have to remember and think. Huh? To do this, they have to remember and think. Young birds are also able to made long. This Harshita. Acha, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan, you try this one. Harshvardhan, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, chalo, try.
Yes, ma'am. Young birds are also able to make long journey.
Yes, Harshvardhan, your answer is correct. Make. I'm noting down some names who don't respond at all. after calling so many times. One name is Aditi Kumari, never respond, and I'm going to inform this to the class teachers. 9E, Aditi Kumari. Harshita Raj, so many times I called, no response. For namesake, that means they joined the class. Okay. They are born with this ability. What is the mistake? They are born with this ability.
May I answer,
बॉर्न
ma'am?
का स्पेलिंग गलत है
जान
बॉर्न का स्पेलिंग गलत है.
Yes, ma'am.
born का spelling गलत. सही बात. BORN. They are born with this ability.
तो एक्चुअली उसका वर्ड फॉर्म में गलत हुआ ना.
हाँ, वर्ब फॉर्म ही कर सकते हैं. V2 V3.
मैम ये बियर का V3 हो गया बॉन्ड जो लिखा है.
हाँ, बियर बोर बॉर्न होता है. टॉलरेट करने वाला बियर का ये V3 होता है. हाँ, one bear means to tolerate. This is not intelligence. We call these instinct.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Mohit. Okay, Mohit.
Ma'am, called. Ma'am, called.
मैम कैन आई
नहीं,
Can I?
ये देखो ना, ये जो these है और instinct है, these जो है वो plural के साथ यूज होता है ना. क्या
This होगा.
हाँ, this
दिस होगा.
यस मैम दिस
This.
होगा
this होगा. ठीक है. If you give the wrong answer, doesn't matter at all, but at least make an attempt. Okay, so this one. This is also a editing mistake. Answer. Harshita Raj. Harshita.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Can I?
Okay,
Ma'am, can I?
Anurag. Anurag Bahar.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, कौन?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
मैम कैन आई
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
कौन?
can I?
Ma'am.
Okay, Anurag Roy answer. अनुराग रॉय. नाम तो दिखा रहा है कि हैंड्स अप है. अनुराग रॉय 9B.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
ओके, विजय लक्ष्मी आंसर. विजय लक्ष्मी.
Ma'am, the next day during a break. Ma'am, and की जगह a होगा.
ए नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, Mohit.
Ma'am, can
ओके,
I?
मोहित.
Ma'am,
मोहित.
the.
द. During
I'm sorry, ma'am, the होगा.
हाँ, द होगा. The next day during the break when all the teacher and
And
students.
teachers.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
teacher.
All the teachers.
Yes, ma'am, teachers.
हम टीचर्स होगा
All the teachers. Okay.
Ma'am, may I answer the next one?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
okay, Ashish.
मैम कैन आई
Teachers and students were eating their snacks.
Yes, plural word. Harshvardhan, you want to answer the next one? This one?
Yes.
Try karo. Left the school,
Ma'am,
hurry.
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Vijay
Ma'am,
Lakshmi.
left.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
left
left
होगा.
Building. Yes.
Ma'am, left होगा.
Let's see.
Ma'am, left their school building हरेली नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं, left their school building, left the भी तो सही ही है.
Ma'am, left में s लग जाएगा.
मैम
Ma'am.
लेफ्ट की जगह लीव होगा
पास्ट में वर्ब में एस नहीं लगता है. If you see all the words of the past tense, in that you don't use s. When you
मैम इसमें गलती नहीं लग रहा है मैम.
मैम हम बताएं.
अच्छा, श्रीजा बता.
मैम हरीली नहीं होगा मैम, हरीडली होगा. हरीली कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है.
हरीली कोई वर्ड नहीं होता, हरीडली। हाँ, hurriedly, yes. Okay, so who will the boy saw him walking, left the mother.
Ma'am, may I?
The mother left the school building hurriedly. The boy saw him walking. Okay, who wants to answer?
Ma'am, hem के जगह हर होगा.
May I?
ये तो the boy saw her. For mother you will use her. Quickly from off the
मैम यहाँ पे द बॉय की जगह ए बॉय भी तो होना चाहिए.
नहीं नहीं, ए बॉय नहीं होगा. The next day during. Here this is, ये तो ज्यादा एरर है ना. मदर के लिए हिम कैसे यूज होगा? द तो
मैम वो तो हम वही बोलने वाले थे, लेकिन द बॉय भी तो गलत होगा ना.
मे बी कि ये पैसेज में जो है, इसके पहले जो पैसेज था उसमें बॉय एक बार यूज हो चुका है. ये तो बीच का कोई पैसेज होगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
The boy saw him walking quickly from off the school gate. Who will answer this? From off the school gate. Ayush Kumar.
Ma'am, can I?
ये अनुराग रॉय 2 बार कैसे ज्वाइन किया हुआ है? अनुराग रॉय 9B, अनुराग रॉय.
मैम मैंने एक ही बार ज्वाइन किया है.
तो अनुराग 2 दिख रहा है मुझे.
मैम 2 ही है.
2 है ना, 2 अनुराग रॉय दिख रहा है.
2 है.
हाँ,
यस मैम 2 बार है.
क्यों?
मैम या तो एरर होगा, नहीं तो कोई अपना नाम चेंज करके वही रख लिया होगा.
ऐसा कैसे कोई नाम चेंज कर?
मैम रीनेम का ऑप्शन है,
मैम
रीनेम का
रीनेम
खुद
का ऑप्शन है.
Rename का option है.
अच्छा, कल से उसको बंद करके करें. मे बी देयर इज अनुराग इन सम अदर सेक्शन. अनुराग रॉय नाम का 2 लड़का, पता नहीं, मुझे पता करना
मैम
पड़ेगा.
मैम बस अब एक ही है मैम.
हाँ,
एक ही है. आई मैम
पार्टिसिपेंट्स
बी सेक्शन में भी है मैम एक अनुराग रॉय.
इसीलिए तो, हाँ इसीलिए
दोनों बी ही सेक्शन का है मैम.
वही तो 9B ही दिखा रहा है दोनों में.
मैम एक ही
मैम-
बच्चा है मैम अनुराग रॉय में मैम बी सेक्शन में.
तो 2 बार ज्वाइनिंग क्यों दिखा रहा है? 2
मैम कोई अपना नाम चेंज करके लिख लिया होगा.
होगा.
मैम बस एक ही दिखा रहा है मैम. अब पहले 2 दिखा रहा.
मुझे
अभी भी
मुझे
है.
2 दिख रहा है.
अभी भी है मैम,
मैम,
अभी
अभी
भी
भी
है.
Yes,
तो
मैम
नहीं
अभी
है.
भी है.
Wait, I'll have to find it out. Okay, quickly from off the school gate. What is the mistake in
Ma'am,
this?
can I?
Vijay,
Ma'am, quickly out of the school
okay,
gate.
Shreya Lakshmi.
Ma'am, from of के ma'am जगह पे towards होगा.
Ma'am,
From towards,
Ma'am, quickly.
ma'am दो
From of के जगह पे towards होगा.
towards नहीं
Ma'am,
होगा.
quickly out of the school gate भी तो हो सकता है मैम. From को हटा के.
From out of the school gate. This is the correct. Quickly from out of the school gate. When he was drank.
मैम तो यहाँ पे तो एरर एक भी फाइंड नहीं हुआ. ये तो एक मिसिंग
मैम सिर्फ मैम from को भी मैम सिर्फ हटा देंगे तब भी हो जाएगा मैम.
क्या?
मैम आप जो आउट यूज कर रही है वो सेंटेंस होगा क्विकली फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ द स्कूल गेट. तो यहाँ पे तो सेंटेंस में एरर नहीं है, वो तो एक सेंटेंस का वर्ड छुटा हुआ है.
यस मैम. मैम उसमें वर्ड मैम हो रहा है मैम. फ्रॉम को हटा के मैम आउट लगाएंगे तो मैम होगा.
Quickly out of the school gate. From out of the school gate. हो सकता है कोई प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो. हाँ, यहाँ पर इसके जगह out of. हाँ
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
यहाँ okay, yes, this is the mistake. This is not out
Yes,
of.
ma'am.
मैं ही कंफ्यूज हो गई. Out of the school gate. हाँ सही. When he was drank water.
मैम कैन आई?
Drank की जगह drinking होगा.
मैम ड्रिंक. मैम ड्रिंक.
Yes मैम. Thinking.
When he was drinking water.
वाटर.
Yes, drinking water after his meal and wonder where His mother is
Ma'am,
going.
can I?
Okay.
May I?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
Can I?
Okay, अनुराग रॉय. चलो अनुराग.
मैम wander की जगह wandered होगा.
Wondered. Where his mother is going.
Ma'am,
मैम कैन
may
आई?
Okay, Mohit. Mohit.
मैम
Ma'am, can I?
Mohit, रुको.
मैम इस की जगह मैम वाज होगा.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, Mohit, your answer is correct. Was going. Okay. This is also mistake finding. Although there is no direct evidence that. Will answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Oh,
Ma'am,
Ashish.
Ma'am, there ये वाला नहीं THERE होगा there.
THERE होगा. THERE. This means possession. Although there is no direct evidence that salt is a cause of highly blood pressure.
Ma'am, may
मैम
I?
हाईली की जगह पे
मैम
हाई
हाईली
होगा.
की जगह हाई होगा.
Avnish, I can see your
मैम हाँ.
name. You want to answer?
मैम कैन आई? अभिनव आनंद.
Okay, Abhinav, answer.
ma'am,
हाईली
Abhinav.
की जगह हाई होगा. मैम हाईली की जगह हाई होगा.
Yes, Abhinav, your answer is correct. High. Although there is no direct evidence that salt is a cause of high blood pressure, that reducing salt intake
ma'am, may I?
lower. Okay.
मैम
मैम मे
लोअर.
आई.
Okay.
मैम अभिनव आनंद.
Okay, Abhinav, answer.
मैम लोअर की जगह
Ma'am.
लो.
नहीं, intake low blood pressure नहीं.
मैम कैन
Ma'am,
आई?
reduce.
मैं आंसर मैम दैट रिड्यूसिंग
Yes,
नहीं होगा,
ma'am.
रिड्यूस होगा. मैम मे आई आंसर सृजा?
की जगह and होगा.
Okay, Srija, answer.
लोअर की जगह मैम लोअर्स होगा.
लोअर के जगह लोअर्स होगा. Lowers blood pressure. Some scientist will
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Vijay
may
Lakshmi.
I?
Vijay Lakshmi.
मैम
Ma'am,
साइंटिस्ट की
may I?
जगह साइंटिस्ट होगा. मैम
Yes, ma'am.
साइंटिस्ट. मैम एस लग जाएगा.
हाँ, S लग जाए. Scientist are also concerned. मोहित को आंसर करना था.
मैम कैन आई?
अभी किसने?
मैम कैन आई?
Pooja, wait. Some new student should also answer. Pooja. Pooja Kumari. Avnish.
Yes, ma'am.
पूजा, ये आंसर करो, कोशिश करो. Some scientists are also concerned that excessive use of salt. What is the mistake? Some scientists are also concerned. What is the mistake? Concerned that excessive use of salt.
मैम कैन आई?
Ma'am.
Okay, Harshvardhan, you want to answer?
Ma'am, concern की जगह
Ma'am,
concern.
some scientists are also concerned that excessive use of salt.
Concerned is the correct answer. Excessive use of salt may cause asthma and kidney disease. May cause.
Ma'am, may I?
May
Can I? Ma'am, can
May
I?
I?
Ashish
Ma'am,
Raj.
may
Can
I?
I?
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
may cause asthma होगा.
मैम
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
may cause होगा क्योंकि हम कोई भी मॉडल के साथ पास्ट वर्ब नहीं यूज करते हैं. While teaching models had told with the dubbing. So while teaching models had told you that with modal verbs you use only the present form of the verb. Can go, will come. So may is a model. With that you will use only the present form. may cause asthma and kidney disease. Asthma should be deal with lightly. Asthma.
Ma'am, can I?
Vijay Lakshmi, okay?
Ma'am, deal की जगह ma'am dilt होगा. DEALT.
Yes, it is a passive sentence. और passive voice में हमेशा V3 ही use होता है. Should be dealt with lightly. चलो 2 मिनट है, कुछ छोटा सा देखते हैं. चलो, this one is small. You can complete in 2 minutes. It has been said that anyone lives by sell something. This is mistake, error. गलती खोजना है. Participants are listening. If I start asking questions, you start leaving the class. Avnish?
May I answer, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Avnish? Okay, Harshvardhan, you want to answer?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it had been said that anyone lives by.
What is the... It had been said, nahi.
May I answer, ma'am?
Okay, Srija.
And it is said that anyone lives by.
नहीं, वो ठीक है. It has been...
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Vijay Lakshmi.
Have been.
Ma'am, anyone की जगह everyone होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is correct. It has been said that everyone lives. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi, your answer was correct. It has been said that everyone lives by sells something or the other. By
Can
sell.
I?
चलो अब नाम नहीं बुलाएंगे, आंसर करते जाओ क्योंकि टाइम कम है.
Ma'am, selling. Ma'am, sell की जगह selling होगा.
Sell के जगह selling, because time is little time is left. So okay, it has been said that everyone lives by selling something or the other. In the light of this statement, teachers live off selling knowledge.
By selling knowledge.
Live by, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Off की जगह by.
Live by. See, when you get these kind of paragraphs, you have to read the paragraph as a whole. All the sentences are interlinked. So if you don't get the answer, read the previous sentence, read the following sentence, because you have to